Drones are no longer just toy or high-tech cameras. They are transforming how we see, monitor, and solve the world's most pressing problem. This is unmanned aerial systems engineering. It is the high-stakes intersection of robotics, aerodynamics, and software. It's more than just flying. It's about the science of designing, building, and operating the technologies that define the modern era. Across Africa, the demand for drone solutions is growing at a staggering pace. Whether it is revolutionizing precision agriculture, inspection of critical infrastructure, or delivering life-saving medical supplies in disaster zones. The opportunities are limitless, but there is a gap. The industry is ready, yet there is a critical shortage of skilled engineers. Academic City University is here to bridge that gap. We don't just teach theory, we build reality. Our students gain intensive hands-on experience. You won't just read about UAS, you will design them, build them, and operate them. By working on real-world projects, you will develop the practical skills needed to solve complex and challenging problems from day one. The sky is no longer the limit, it is your new workspace.